You're probably thinking, what is this guy talking about? In the US, we use these insanely large, blanket-sized, massive towels, like the ones you would use at the beach. Here in Slovenia, they really use these tiny towels. In the US, we would call those like, I don't even know what we call it, like a kitchen towel or something. My Slovenian fiance, Petra, is so comfortable with these tiny towels. She's so happy to just go to the beach and sit like halfway on a towel because she's used to that. She's also used to using those after the shower. For me, I have to use these huge, mega American towels. It's something that I'm still adjusting to and something that I'm not used to. In the US, you say, hey, I want ketchup. And they give you like 5 to 15 packets. A lot of times you can grab as many as you want. They're out for you to just go get. A lot of people will get them and they'll take them home. They'll keep extras. They'll keep them in the car. They have them everywhere because when you go to a store, you can get as many as you want. But in Slovenia and in Europe, you have to pay per packet. When you go to McDonald's, you say, okay, I want 1 omaka of sour sauce, because you have to pay 50 cents for that 1 packet of sour sauce. In the US, they would give you like 6, 7, 10, however many you wanted. If you need more sauce, they give it to you without even thinking about it. So for me, being in Slovenia, that is absolutely crazy. I want as much sauce as I can get, and I don't want to have to pay for it.